There is a hot new sneaker on the market that is rising fast and blowing competition away with the straight fire. And that brand is FitVille. Sneakers so nice, sneakers so stylish, sneakers that perform better than your average sneaker. I'm telling you guys right now, kids don't want no Nike for Christmas. They want FitVille. So here's the deal about FitVille. When I first tried FitVille, I wasn't quite sure. I liked the brand, I liked the shoes, but I wasn't sure how long they would actually last, you know? So many times we get these different brands and it's like, well, 3, 4, 5 months and they're already worn down. Well, the nice thing about FitVille that I can say from personally owning, oh man, 6 pairs I think by now I've had, and that is they last long and they're always really stylish, high quality, and that's why we got a bunch for my wife. So these are going to make great Christmas gifts. And I'm showing you guys the detail of the sneaker because the listing, it's very hard to kind of get an idea from a photo. So for this particular pair of shoe, it is soft all around. You have extra support up through here, so it's a little harder up in here, but soft on the bottom. I love that chrome piece around there. And these are extremely soft in here. So I don't know if you guys can see how that sinks down in. It's basically, the best way to describe that is memory foam clouds. I mean, you can see, well, you can see on the edges how it's raised up. So all around it's raised. So these are extremely soft, and I know my wife's going to love these. So guys, if you're looking for a up-and-coming sneaker brand that is stylish and they last long, definitely give FitVille a chance.